Hey guys, Down There 316 here. Wanted to show you a really cheap bag I got at the gun show. It was $12 and I thought that was a steal of a deal, so I got it. It's got these little buckles, makes for a good handle, but we'll start right here in the front pocket and work our way out. Or in. It's right here. I have a spare mag for my Glock 26 and some chapstick. Mag's unloaded. I was cleaning it, so I just took all the ammo out and everything. So that's this little pouch. This little pouch over here just has a cheap little Smith's sharpening kit. And right here is my Glock 26. Having this Black Hawk inside the waistband holster, so if I ever need to take anything out of this bag and put it on my person, I can. Inside this little slot right here, my little keychain tools, zebra pin, Swiss Tech utility key, Streamlight Nanolight, Swiss Army Classic. I got it out my peanut lighter and put ibuprofen and Benadryl in there. That just rides in this little pouch, like so. Okay, so that's that. And I just got it, so I may put more stuff in there, who knows. This top pouch, I've got a Bible, a trim men kit. It's got nail file, scissors, clippers, a comb. I'm blank there for a minute. I've got about 5 feet of duct tape. My Leatherman Super Tool 300. Got my 16-inch baton, which normally goes in my pocket. Main things that go in my pocket are my cell phone, my wallet, my baton, my keys, and a little bitty pocket knife. Alright, and then I've got a whistle in this little spot right here. And I'll show you it real quick. I can never get all this stuff out of the way. It's a little pouch right in here, and then a mesh pocket right here. And I've just got my wallet, I bought Bantam BBW, my little knife I carry on me. Thanks Sharp, I love it. And my Maritac Copper AAA. Right little dude. Alright, so that's that. That pocket. Alright, so we got the outside. Right here, just a regular black Sharpie. Goes in this little slot right here. And in this pouch, I have my cell phone and handkerchief. Alright, here on Molly gear, I just have my Spyderco Tenacious. Pretty awesome blade. Alright, now on this side, I've got a cheap little Rayovac flashlight I got at Walmart. So if I lose it, I won't feel bad. I've got one of my sets of keys, a lighter, another lighter, another set of keys, and some AAA batteries. In that little pouch. And then on the back, see these little straps right here. It's like a shoulder strap, but you can run this portion right here through your belt, like so. Or you can take these straps right here and attach them right into these little spots and make it fanny pack if you want to. I don't prefer to. And there's this little motion attached slide. You can slide your belt to it or stick some other gear inside here. And you know, for $12, I thought it was a pretty good buy. Did a few mods. I burnt the ends and everything to try and seal it all over this place and everywhere. And I changed out these little zippers with These little zip pulls I got at Walmart, so it's not jangling and making noise. But yeah guys, that's my bag. I appreciate everybody watching and subbing. Please continue to watch, and I hope I get some more subscribers. I don't really make these videos for the fun of it. I do it because, you know, I want other people to know what's out there. But y'all take care, and God bless.